Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you HubFit's food access feature. The food access feature allows you to pick which foods in your library your clients have access to. I'm going to show you how this works from the coach side, and then I'm going to show you how this looks like for your clients on the client app. So here you'll see I am in the nutrition section of my library and I'm in the foods tab. Here is my personal library, so your personal library would appear in the foods tab. And here you'll see you have a food access option. If I go ahead and click this, you'll see here you have all your foods, and here you'll see all the foods that you've given clients permission to access. This would mean that they can access it in the nutrition tracker in the HubFit client app. So let's go ahead and add some foods that we want our clients to have access to. So I'll just go ahead and click on a couple of these here. And now you can see we have these options available for the client. I am now going to switch over to the client app to show you how the clients can view and access this food library that you've given them. I am now logged into the client app and I am currently in the nutrition tab of the app. Here we have the nutrition logger open and you can see we have our meal. So far we've logged breakfast. Let's go ahead and click add food to our lunch meal. If you've given them access to food from your library, they will see coach foods. So if I switch to coach foods, here you'll see are all the foods that we've given them access to. It comes with its own verified badge. So the coach food gets a gold badge. So let's go ahead and log this whole wheat bread. So I'll click on here to log. And you'll see it'll pop open the option. If I want to modify the serving, I can modify the serving. We've clicked in the lunch meal, so we pre-filled the lunch meal and I can view the full macros. So I'm going to go ahead and click on log. And this has now been logged to the nutrition meal. And I'll also show you the quick add option. So I'm going to log the tuna. It will add based on the meal that we have open, which is lunch. So let's go ahead and quick add this tuna. And just like that, we've added tuna into our meal. If I go back, you'll see we've added the bread and the tuna into our lunch meal directly from the Coach Food library. So that's how you can share your Coach Food library with your clients. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below.